Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we shall start with a new chapter, chapter 7, join bar graph. Now, we have already studied bar graph in 6th standard. Let's study further. Okay. Now, a graph consists of two axes. The horizontal line which is there, this is a horizontal line which is called as x-axis, and the vertical line which is there, that is called as y-axis. Okay, so a graph consists of two axes, x-axis and y-axis, and the point of meeting each other, that is the point of intersection, is called as origin, and it is always 0. Okay, so we always have to keep this in mind. We have to write the x-axis, y-axis, and the point of intersection of two axes, that is called as origin, is 0. Now let us see the next. We'll directly see practice set 31. Okay, practice set 31. We'll see how to draw the join bar graph. Now, join bar graph means the two graphs are joined, the two bars are joined together. That is called as a join bar graph. In the previous class, we have studied bar graph. Okay, so in that only single bar was drawn. Now, here one single bar is divided into two halves. Okay, that is called as the join bar graph. Now, the scale, this scale, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. Okay, it will be given to you all. In the textbook, it has not been mentioned. So, please mention that y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 saplings. Then second, y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 customers. Then third one, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 voters. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Fourth one. Fifth one, y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 children. And the last sixth one, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10% literate. Okay, so you have to write this in your textbook also, because the scale will be mentioned in the question paper whenever they ask you the sum of bar graph. Okay, now let us study the first sum. The number of saplings planted by a school on the World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw join bar graph to show this figure. Now, the number of saplings. Now, always remember the number of saplings. Always whatever numbers will be there, those will be always on y-axis. Okay, and the name of these saplings which are there, okay, those are on your x-axis. So, you will always plot the numbers on the y-axis, and the bars which you draw will be on your x-axis. Now, the first sum, they have shown us the data of the schools, the two schools. Okay, how many saplings both the schools have planted of, how many number of saplings are planted of each type. Okay, so first I'm going to draw a scale. This is x-axis, y-axis. Okay, now see, this is 1 centimeter each. Okay, now the box is of 1 centimeter. Now this box is divided into two halves. So one half will be the first data, and second half will be the second data which we will plot. Okay, that means one box is divided into two halves. Okay, so you can see there is a middle line over here. You can see the middle line. Okay, so first let's see the scale which is given to us, that is y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings, right? So y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. Now we have to put the indications for both. One is Nutan Vidyalaya, another one is Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay, so I have denoted Nutan Vidyalaya blank, and I have colored the Bharat Vidyalaya. So I have to show the indications how I am going to represent them. So now y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 saplings. So my first y-axis will begin from 10. So after 10 goes 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and so on. So it will go on till 90, which is the largest number. According to that you can stop. Okay, I have stopped at 100 because I don't need more than 100. Okay, so now suppose here it was 5. So I would have begun from 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. But since it is 10, I have to begin from 10 only. 10, then 20, 30 and so on. Now first is almond. Almond is what? 40 is Nutan Vidyalaya and 42 is Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay, so Nutan Vidyalaya I will first plot 40. So see, I have drawn up to 40, only the half of one box. You can see another half is 42, so I have drawn up to 42. Now both I have to indicate separately. So Nutan Vidyalaya is blank, so I have left it blank, and the Bharat Vidyalaya is colored with blue color, so I have to color with blue color. You can see that. Now whenever you draw the graph, everything should be with pencil. I have colored it, I have used black pen for you all to understand it. Okay, because it will not be visible if I do it with pencil. But for you, you have to do everything with pencil. Okay, the graph, entire thing should be with pencil. Even the scale, this, everything you can write with pencil. Now the second one is Karanj 60 and 38. So now see, after this is the first one I have written almond. After that my next will start from here. I will not join directly from here. See, I have left one box and I have started from here. Okay, so I have to leave one box after each of them. So 60 is Nutan Vidyalaya, right? And 38 is Bharat Vidyalaya. I have shaded it. Clear? Okay, then third one is 72 is Nutan and 60 is Bharat. So 72 and 60. So I have shaded it. And again leave one and you have to do the remaining two. I hope so you all have understood the first sum. Okay, it is very easy. Now second you have to do for self-study, that is a homework. Okay, second sum you will do for homework. Okay, number of fruits. So number of fruits will be on y-axis and the name of the fruits, whatever you are writing, it will be on x-axis. Okay, next third one. The following number of votes were cast at 5 polling booths during the Gram Panchayat elections. Draw joint bar graph for this data. Scale y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 100 voters. That has been given to you. Okay, so now you are going to plot scale x-axis and y-axis. Write the scale. Male I have done it like this and female I have indicated by yellow color. Okay, now my y-axis is 100 voters. So my first number will start from 100 because it is 100 first. So after 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, I went to 900. Okay, now first data is what? 200 and 700. So 200. So I have plotted 200 and other I have plotted 700. Color the woman part. Okay, so that is what? Booth 1. So you can see I have written booth common and 1. Okay, then next second is 270 and 240. So 270 and 240. So 270 is here and 240 is here. I have named as 2. Colored this. Okay, so like this you have to plot for all the remaining also. Yeah, I hope so you all have understood the third sum. It is very easy. After each bar you have to leave 1 centimeter box. You can see I have left after each. You can see that. Okay, so like this you have to leave. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, now next fourth one. Fourth is what? Let's see. The maximum number of temperature and the minimum number of temperatures are given. So that means the maximum and the minimum number of temperature, that is temperature, is given to us. So that is a number, right? And they have given is it begins from 5 degrees Celsius. So that is on your y-axis. You will start from 5 onwards. You can see x-axis, y-axis 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Can stop at 50 because you can see in the table which is the greatest number. The greatest number is 41. So you can stop at 45 also, not a problem. You can stop at 50 also, not a problem. Okay, now first I'm going to plot 35 and 26. So now maximum temperature is like this and minimum temperature is like this. Okay, so 45, 35. So first I'm going to plot up to 35 and next 26. So what is that? That is Delhi. Okay, then next 32 and 25. 32 and 25 Mumbai. Then like that you have to plot for Kolkata, Nagpur, okay, and so on. Delhi is represented by blank and maximum is temperature is represented by blank, minimum is represented by color, and after each you have to leave 1 centimeter gap. Okay, 5th and 6th you have to do for homework. Okay, and along with that you also have to solve miscellaneous problem set 1. Okay, this entire miscellaneous problem set 1 is a homework for you. Okay, so you all have to do that also. Okay, 5th and 6th for homework. Okay, you have to do 2nd, 5th and 6th for homework, and miscellaneous problem set 1 is also for homework. Thank you.